Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Temu promo code not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Temu promo code not working and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Temu app. And by the way, me myself, I had the exact same problem before. So what I did was that I closed my Temu app completely and then opened up my settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now on this page, scroll down a little bit until you can find where it says general. So click on general in here, scroll down a little bit again and click on storage. Now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down a little bit in here until you can find Temu. So click on Temu, now click on upload app and then once again click on upload app in here. Just going to load a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. Because what will happen now is that you will now auto update your Temu app to the latest version. So I did this exact thing myself and I went back after what it was done. I went back into my Temu app and now my promo code actually worked. But if it for some reason is still not working for you, what you can do is to just go into the help section and where it says that you can actually contact support and then write to them that you have problems with your promo code and provide them with your promo code and ask them to help you fix this, because sometimes it is a support related issue as well. But hopefully this first thing right here will be able to help you once it's done, as you can see, updating to the latest version. So just go back and try again. If it doesn't work, then contact support and then hopefully that will be able to solve this issue for you.